Invicta Men Pro Diver Collection Chronograph Watch In-Depth Reviews. This product has 4.6 stars based on 3,108 ratings and 1036 reviews. 89% of customers have overall ratings of 4 or 5 stars, while ratings of 1 or 2 stars accounting for 7% of all reviewers. Let's look at a recent positive review. It said, "Beautiful watch. My brother fell in love with this watch. Well, the watch and the price. It really is a gorgeous timepiece. Invictas are usually so expensive, but the price was fantastic. He shows it off all the time and it catches everyone's eye. It's really a fantastic buy." Is there anything the product needs to be improved on? Let's take a look at a critical review. It was very bulky, heavy, and weight is bigger than the picture shows. Way too big and heavy. The face part was really thick in size. That's it.
It's so beautiful.
Where he got hurt really bad. I think it's going to be Eric Bradford. This guy's been in a car accident.
39-year-old Eric Bradford has multiple convictions, including larceny, resisting arrest, and shooting with intent to kill.
Born in 76, 5'9", 150. Last known address,